country's economy. 56 miners took their bosses to court for exposing them to a deadly lung disease, silicosis. It's been dubbed a David versus Goliath legal battle.
South Africa's gold mine industry, a pillar of the economy, raking in billions. The gold is trapped in the bowels of the earth, thousands of meters deep. Those who extract it, poor migrant laborers in search of a better life. Exposed to life-threatening dangers daily, many have lost their lives underground. But even for the survivors, years of gold digging came at a cost. Silicosis is caused by inhaling particles of silica dust created by rock drilling. It scars the lungs, a virtual death sentence.
The mining companies knew about this for at least 110 years, and they watched these men go underground and let them do so, knowing that they were going literally to their graves.
Sikamo has worked on the mines for 27 years. He suffers from silica tuberculosis.
My lungs have never recovered since then. When I walk uphill, I battle and I can't even run anymore.
Those suffering want justice and redress. They've taken 32 gold mines to court. But first, they want the cases to be recognized as a collective.
If the bigger class of mine workers do not get this class certified, it will really be quite detrimental for their claims, because we know that for a fact, majority of them will not have any access to justice. They will be denied their access to justice.
If successful, this could be the biggest civil suit ever brought against the South African mining industry. Come Monday, the once silent voices of the miners will resonate through this High Court precinct in what's been deemed the David versus Goliath legal battle. The 56 miners represent a much bigger group, mostly from rural Eastern Cape, all dismissed after falling sick.
What I want is for us to win so that we can be compensated.
Families of those who have already died are part of the litigation. Nozuzile Mankanyi lost her husband in 2011.
The hospital told me that he was going to die because his lungs were destroyed. He only lived for a week after being discharged.
But gold mines want the cases heard individually.
It's not in anyone's interests to spend hundreds of millions of dollars and 10, 15, 20 years in court.
If they get their way, it will be a blow to the miners. They'll have to get lawyers to fight for compensation individually. With an estimated 200,000 miners suffering from silicosis, the case is likely to drag on for years. But it will only be clear next year if the matter will be heard as a single suit, a nail-biting wait for those slowly dying from the disease. Mangoba Mchunu, SABC News, Johannesburg.